All right, this is a 2007 Toyota Sienna with a brake light that has failed. You need a 10mm socket wrench and these light bulbs here, 7443. This is the incandescent bulb. I'll put a link in the description below, as well as a link to LED bulbs. They're a bit more expensive, but they last a lot longer. So anyway, that's what you need. Let's get started. So there's two bolts right here and right here, 10mm. All right, now here's the only real trick to this. When you take this out, it actually comes out this way, not this way, not toward the back of the vehicle, but to the side of the vehicle, perpendicular to the vehicle. So it takes a little bit of wiggling. There's some plastic tabs that you want to be careful getting out. Once you get your hands in here, you pull it this way toward yourself. It's just a friction fit tab. There we go. So there's a post on the back of this. I'll show you in just a second. Okay, so now we're going to come in from the back here. We need to unplug it. Okay. All right, so it's real simple. There's a post here. These posts just push in. So when you're pulling it out, you have to pull it out the same way. Otherwise, you'll break either this part, or these. All right, so here it's the brake light. There's two filaments in the brake light. There's one filament in the turn signal. And if it's been on, it's going to be hot. So wait for it to cool down. And then you just kind of pull it out. Just a friction fit bulb. Okay. So hopefully you can see the cloud there on the side. This is the new one. Just pop it in. Stick it on. Just align these posts here. Push it in. Then you just put the bolts back in, and it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to do this job. And you will be back safely signaling your brakes. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want more Toyota Sienna repair videos. And you can even leave a tip if you want via Patreon. There's a link in the description below. Thanks.